We're going to install the development version of Translate for Slack with an all-new app home, block kit everywhere, and granular permissions. Initially, we're requesting only bot scopes, and later we'll invite the user to grant us some user scopes. Okay, redirecting right into the app. We've got a welcome message waiting for us with a deep link into the app home. Onboarding scenario here where we'll show them immediately the help message. Going to update some of these screen snaps for the block kit stuff. Going to do that soon. Can also go over here to contact. And one of the other things we can do here is do translation right from a form. And to do that, we can choose a language we want to translate to. Let's do Danish. And let's say, hello everyone. Translate. These are new modals, of course, all brand new for the app. There's a translation. And now we can translate it into, and we can post it into a channel. So I want to post it into cat chow. Say post this. It didn't work. Now we get this message that says it couldn't be posted because @translate doesn't have the authorization to post. The bot isn't a member of that channel yet. So we're inviting the user here to either invite Translate to the channel or authorize Translate for Slack to send messages on the user's behalf. For now, I'm just going to close it, and I'm going to go over and set up some automatic translations. The different modal for that, we can set up an automatic translation. This time I'm going to do it for the stuff channel. Choose a language this time. Let's make it French, and different format. I'm going to choose to show the translation first and then the source language. I'm going to save that. Again, I've got a bit of a warning here, notification that the automatic translations, as long as the bot is invited to the channel, will work, but they're going to show up being from the bot unless the user would authorize us to be able to edit those messages and then append them. So for now, let's just see what that looks like in stuff. So in stuff, I'm going to say, good day. It didn't work because I still need to invite Translate. Translate. There, now let's try it. Good day. It worked. And as you can see here, this was posted by the bot. It says app right there, and we have a little bit of a context block there saying it was translated by @translate. But for most people, this looks better if the translation gets attached to the original message. So if we go back to our app home, let's try to set that up. Now we're getting the message over here. We can see the one we set up there for channel stuff, and we're still getting that message, invite @translate. I think that should go away momentarily because we have invited @translate. But let's use this authorize over here, and let's grant some additional scopes. So now we have different scopes we're being asked for to perform actions as you, to send messages on your behalf. So this is so we can modify and update the messages to add the translations. So let's allow. Again, we're popping back in here, and this always drops you into the messages. I'd really like to be able to specify the tab. I think that would be a better experience. Okay, we're not getting that authorize button anymore here, so let's go back over to stuff and see how that works. Now we'll try the same message. Good day. And there we go. Now the message is being updated. We got both the French at the beginning and then the source language afterwards. And again, the context block saying that it's been translated. So that works great. Let's go back to our at home. So we can add, as many channels as we want here. So now, if I go back here and let's choose a different language, Japanese. So goodbye. Translate. Now I should be able to put this into cat chow, even though we haven't invited at translate yet, because now we have that user scopes, because the user should be able to post this. Let's see if that works. Your message has been posted to cat chow. And there it is, the Japanese for the cat chow. So that about shows everything here. We can add another channel here quickly. We can try to, if we choose a direct message here, it isn't going to work. And the reason is we can't do automatic translation in a direct message channel, because at translate needs to be in the channel, and it needs to be a multi-party message. So we have a bit of a error message here that explains that to the user. So we can choose a different channel. Let's do it random, automatic to Hindi, and this time I'll choose replace. And replace will actually replace your language with your chosen translation. So it's up to the user to choose that. Done. And now we can see the other one here. And random, we should go and invite translate. Let's just do it this way with a mention. Translate. Invite to channel. There we go. Another thing we can do once this isn't as useful as it was now that we have an app home, but you can mention at translate, and you're going to get similar options for things you can do right from the channel. So you can translate text right from the channel and then still post it. You can enable or edit the settings for this channel. There it is, Hindi we chose and replaced, still there. Help and all the other information. And of course the other thing, which is the oldest feature of the app, is the slash command. And that's been updated with BlockKit, and you can also use the post this feature to post that message to the channel. That's about it for the demo.